Hi, I'm Miss Kaitlyn from Haymarket Gainesville Community Library. I'm here to do Steam at Home with you today, and we're going to do exploding sandwich bags. So all this requires is some water, some vinegar, baking soda, a tissue, and a little bit of patience, and a couple of trials. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour our vinegar into the bag. I tried water the last time and I think it delayed the response too much for my taste, so I'm omitting the water. But what we're gonna need to do is get a half cup of vinegar, if you want to slow the reaction down, you can add about a 1/4 cup of water. I don't want to slow the reaction down today, so vinegar is going in. Alright, so then seal the bag up nice and tight. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our tissue and we're going to put some baking soda on it. Really, this depends on how strong you want your reaction to be. So you can do anything from like 3 teaspoons to like, I'm going to try a big mountain of baking soda. This is probably going to be, I don't know, 2 tablespoons worth. You can really do an experiment to see what works. For big reactions, what works for slow reactions. There's really a lot of wiggle room with this. So let's see. So we're going to very carefully put the tissue with the baking soda in, and then seal it as quickly as you can, and then back up. Definitely do this outside. Don't do this inside. Alright. There you go. Oh, the tissue inside is expanding now too. It's even bigger than it was before. There you go. Exploding lunch bag.